These are washing machine extension hose, 3-meter washing machine extension hose, made in China, and 5-meter washing machine extension hose. Going to open the 3-meter washing machine extension hose. These are the parts, 2 clips. Okay, see it's turning. Second clip. Also turning. And this is a connector like that. Okay. And this one is the other end. This can be cut according to the size of the hose. See, different sizes. Now let's see the 5-meter. This is the 5-meter washing machine extension hose. Two clips. Okay, it's turning. Second clip, also turning. The hose connector. Okay, and then the other end can also be adjusted depending on the size of the hose. Let's cut it.